How to sign up for an Amazon Prime Video free trial. Amazon Prime Video offers a 30-day free trial for new users, allowing access to a vast library of movies, TV shows, and Amazon originals. Signing up is simple and can be done online or through the app. 1. Visit the Amazon Prime website. Open a web browser and go to the Amazon Prime sign-up page. You can also access the free trial option through the Amazon Prime Video app on smart devices. 2. Click on Start Your 30-day free trial. This option is usually displayed on the homepage. Ensure that you are signing up as a new user, as returning subscribers may not be eligible. 3. Sign in or create an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, click Create a New Account and enter your name, email, and password. Choose a subscription plan. The trial allows access to the full Prime Video catalog. You can choose between full Amazon Prime membership, $14.99 per month, or $139 per year. Includes Prime Video, free shipping, Prime Music, and other perks. Prime Video only subscription, $8.99 per month, access to just Prime Video. Enter payment information. A valid credit or debit card is required, but you will not be charged until the trial ends. Some regions may allow alternative payment options. 6. Confirm and start watching. Once payment details are entered, click Start Your Free Trial to activate the subscription. You can now access thousands of movies and TV shows, including Amazon originals. 7. Manage or cancel before the trial ends. The trial automatically renews into a paid subscription unless canceled before the 30 days are over. To cancel, go to Your Account, then Manage Prime Membership, then End Trial before the billing date. 8. Device compatibility and features. Watch Prime Video on smart TVs, mobile devices, Fire TV, Roku, gaming consoles, and web browsers. Enjoy features like offline downloads, multiple profiles, and 4K streaming where available. The 30-day free trial is a great way to explore Amazon Prime Video before committing to a paid subscription. If you decide it's not for you, cancel before the trial ends to avoid any charges.